Hi students, let's see pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.2 part 3. Ready? So question number 4 I am going to do here. We done already the previous questions in the other videos, and those not watching that, first you watch that. Ready? So what you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the previous videos. Ready? Let's start the work. Question number 4. I am reading the question once. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solutions graphically. Ready? First question is x plus y equals 5 and 2x plus 2y equals 10. What do you want to do? See, first we have to check is it consistent or not. For that, what you will do? We will find out the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. After that, we will verify. If it is consistent, we will solve it by graphically. Ready? So let's write this one more time. What is that? X plus y. This 5 goes to next side. It will be minus 5. Ready? That is minus 5 equal to 0. This implies second equation. See, 2x plus 2y. 10 goes next side, plus 10 goes next side, minus 10 equal to 0. Of course, the first one is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. After that, from the first equations, we'll write a1, b1, c1. From the second equation, we will take a2, b2 and c2. This implies a1 equals, what is the value of a1? See here, x. X means 1 into x, that is x. X means 1 into x. That means a1 equals 1. And the value of b1, b1 means y is given. Y means 1 into y. That means b1 equals 1. And c1 is already given minus 5. Implies. Let us see the second one. a2. What is a2? A2 is 2. And b2, what is the value of b2? Yes, 2. And c2, that is minus 10. Now what you'll do? We'll go for verification, isn't it? That means what you'll do? a1 by a2 equals, what is the value of a1? That is 1 by a2 is 2. Okay. Now, b1 by b2 equals, what is the value of b1? That is 1 by b2, that is 2. Now we will go for c1 by c2. What is the value of c1? That is minus 5 divided by c2 is minus 10. Ready? Minus minus in the numerator and denominator will cancel. Now numerator will cancel by 5. 5 ones are 5. Denominator will cancel by 5. 5 twos are 10. That means we will get 1 by 2. See now, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, all the answers are 1 by 2, isn't it? That implies we can write a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c. Therefore, the system is consistent and the lines are coinciding. Let's do now graphical method. For that, what you will do? First you will make the table, isn't it? Now I am writing the first equation one more time. What is that? X plus y minus 5 equal to 0, isn't it? So this is the first equation. I am writing one more time. After that, y equals, see, 5 will carry to next side, x will carry to next side. Minus 5 goes to next side, it will be plus 5. And x goes to next side, plus x goes to next side, minus x. Ready? Now what you'll do? When x equals 5. Therefore, y equals 5 minus, in place of x, what you'll write? 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Ready? Again, when x equals 0, therefore, y is 5 minus x, but in place of x, what you will write? 0. That means 5 minus 0 equals 5. Now you can make the table here. What is the table? See, small table we can make here. Of course, if you want, we can make coordinates, that is x, y, and of course x and y. Ready? The first point it took us 5. That time we got the value of y as 0. So the coordinates are 5, 0. Next point. Next, we took the value of x as 0. That time the value of y was 5. Ready? Otherwise the value we got as 5. So the coordinates are 0 and 5. Ready? Let's go for the second equation. What is the second equation? 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. Isn't it? This was the second equation. 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. So what you will do? We will keep only 2y here. That means 2y equals minus 10 goes next side. Plus 10 plus 2x goes next side. Minus 2x. Therefore, y equals 10 minus 2x. 2y means 2 is multiplying to y. So, the multiplication goes next side. Divide. That means divided by 2. When x equals, that is your wish, any value we can put. Just I am taking x as 2. Therefore, y equals, what is y? 10 minus 2x. 2x means the value of x is 2 by, because 10 minus 2x. So we are writing 10 minus 2 into, in place of x we are writing 2 divided by 2 equals 10 minus 2 2s are 4 by 2. 10 minus 4, that is 6. 6 by 2. We can cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are. So the answer is 3. Again, when x equal to 0. Ready? Therefore, y equals, y is 10 minus 2x by 2. But in place of x we will write 0 divided by 2 equals 10 minus, any number into 0 is 0. That means 0 by 2 equals 10 minus 0 is 10. 10 by 2. We can cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are. So the answer is 5. So we can make the box here. What is the box? See. X, y, coordinates x, y, because we want graphical representation. Now x we took 2, that time we got the value of y as 3. That means we got 2, 3 as the coordinates. After that, second, the value of x as 0, that time we got the value of y as 5. That means the coordinates are 0, 5. Now we will do it in graph paper. Ready? Let us see in the graph paper now. See, in the graph paper when you make the line. Ready? This horizontal line, this is called the x-axis. Ready? This is called the x-axis. And the right side is positive, left side is negative. And this vertical line, this is the y-axis. And the upside portion is positive, downside portion is negative. It's very important. You have to write x, x dash, y. Okay? See, you have to do these problems in the graph paper. Don't do it in plain paper. Okay? Ready? You are doing in the graph paper? Ready? So, okay, let's start. 5, 0. X is 5. X 5 means in the right side. X 5 means in the right side horizontal line. See, x 5 here. But we know that y is 0. Y 0 means on x-axis. Y 0 is on x-axis. That means on x-axis x 5. X 5, y 0. 5 means this, x 5 is here. Here of course we will get one vertical line. But y 0 means on x-axis. So we will write here 5, 0. Ready? After that, 0, 5. X is 0. X 0 means y-axis. X 0 is y-axis. And y 5. Y 5 means plus 5 upside. See this one. Ready? See, x 0 is y-axis and y 5 means this upside. So here we will write 0, 5. Always we will write x, y form. Ready? That means x will be first. That is what we wrote, 0, 5. Ready? Now we will join this. Ready? So we got the line now. So what we will do? We will write the first equation. What is that? X plus y minus 5 equals 0. Ready? Let us see the second table. What is that? X equal to y equal to 3. x equal 2. X equal 2 means here will be one vertical line. See, 1, 2. This one vertical line. And y equal 3. Y 3 mean upside. See, this one. See, these two joining place. Ready? That means we got it here. 2, 3. X equal 2, y equal 3. Next one, x0, y5. x0 means y-axis. x0 is y-axis and y5 means this point. See, x0 this one, y5 means this. That means the same point. Now see, both points, the new points we got in the same line. That means what you'll say? The two lines are coinciding. Ready? That means it have infinite many solutions. Ready? Let's write then. Since the two lines are coinciding, therefore the equations have infinite many solutions. Question number 2, I'll read the question. X minus y equals 8, 3x minus 3y equals 16. So what you'll do? We will rearrange the equation. Ready? That means x minus y, 8 goes next side. Minus 8 equals 0. This is equation number 1. After that, this implies second equation. That is what? 3x minus 3y, 16 goes to next side. Plus 16 goes to next side. Minus 16 equal to 0. That is equation number 2. We know that from the first equation, we'll take a1, b1, c1. From the second equation, we'll take a2, b2 and c2. Ready? This implies, what is the value of a1? a1 means which is the coefficient of x in the first equation. X means 1 into x is x, isn't it? That means a equals 1. See now the value of b1. b1 equals, see, minus y. Minus y means minus 1 into y, isn't it? That means b1 is minus 1. And c1, what is the value of c1? c1 we can take direct, that is minus 8. Now implies second equation, we will take a2. What is the value of a2? a2 is 3, and b2, what is the value of b2? That is minus 3. And c2, what is the value of c2? That is minus 16. Now what you will do? a1 by a2 equals, what is the value of a1? That is 1 by a2 is 3. Ready? Now b1 by b2, what is the value of b1? That is minus 1 by minus 3. Minus will cancel, we'll get 1 by 3. Ready? After that, c1 by c2, what is the value of c1? That's minus 8 divided by minus 16. Minus you can cancel. Now we'll cancel by 8. 8 ones are 8. Here 8 twos are. That means we'll get 1 by 2. Check it now. a1 by a2, b1 by b2 we got same. But the third one, that is c1 by c2 is not equal. That means what you'll write? This implies a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2. But the third one not equal to c1 by c2. For the system is inconsistent. That means we can't solve it, isn't it? So let's go to the next question. So question number 3. 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Ready? The first one is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Ready? After that, here we'll write a1, b1, c1. This is a2, b2, c2. This implies, what is the value of a1? a1 is 2 and b1, what is the value of b1? Plus y means 1 into y, that is y, isn't it? So b1 is 1 and c1 is minus 6. And a2, what is the value of a2? That is 4 B2, what is the value of B2? Minus 2. And C2, that is minus 4. So what you will do first? A1 by A2. What is the value of A1? That is 2. What is the value of A2? That is 4. So we'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are. So we got 1 by 2. Ready? Now we'll check B1 by B2. B1 by B2. B1 is 1 by B2 minus 2. Ready? Equals, minus you can write in the numerator. That means minus 1 by 2. See? Now itself we can understand A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. These two answers are different. This implies we can write A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. That means what you will write? Therefore, the system is consistent and have unique solution. Unique solution. Ready? Now we'll go for the first equation. What is the first equation? 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now we'll keep only y here. The balance will carry it next side. So minus 6 goes next side, plus 6, plus 2x goes next side, minus 2x. Ready? So we got it, y equals 6 minus 2x. Ready? Now what you'll do? When x equals 0. X equals 0. Ready? I am putting x as 0. Therefore y equals, y is 6 minus 2x. In place of x, what you will write? 0 equals 6 minus any number into 0 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. Ready? Now when x equals, you can put one more value. It is up to you. You can put any value. Don't think only the same numbers you have to put. You can use any other number. Ready? So I am writing here 3. Therefore y equals 6 minus 2x. 2 into x means we will write 3. This equals 6 minus 2 3s are 6 equal to 6 minus 6, 0. Ready? So we will go for the table now. That is x, y and the coordinates x, y. First we got x as 0. That time we got y as 6. That means 0, 6 is the coordinates. After that x we took 3. That time we got the y as 0. So the coordinates are 3, 0. So what is the next equation? 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now what you will do means minus 2y will carry it next side. That means what you will write? Balance 4x minus 4 equals minus 2y goes next side plus 2y. Ready? Now we will write 2y equals 4x minus 4. Okay? Ready? This implies y equals 4x minus 4. 2y means 2 is multiplying. So it goes next side. Divide. Ready? Now we can put any value for x. Ready? So when x equals 0, I am just putting x equal to 0. Therefore y equals 4 into 0, because 4x minus 4. 4 into 0 minus 4 by 2 equals 4 into 0, that is 0 minus 4 by 2 equals 0 minus 4 means minus 4 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So the answer is minus 2. When x equals 1, therefore y equals, what you will do? 4x. 4x means 4 into 1 minus 4 by 2. Here we are putting, okay. Ready? So this equals 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 4 by 2. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 by 2 means 0. Ready? So we'll make the table now. X, y, x, y. What is the value of x first? We took 0. That time we got the value of y as minus 2. So the coordinates are 0, minus 2. After that we took the value of x as 1. That time we got the value of y as 0. So 1, 0. So now we will solve it in graph paper. Ready? So please take your graph paper. Take. We made already horizontal line x, x-axis, and the vertical line y-axis. Done it already? So first one, first table, 0, 6. X0. X0 means y-axis. X0 means y-axis and y6. x0 means y-axis, y6 means here. Got it? So we got it now, 0, 6. x0 is y-axis, y6. After that, x3, y0. x3 means right side. 1, 2, 3. x3, y0. y0 means x-axis, isn't it? So this is the point. That is, what you'll write? 3, 0. Ready? 3, 0. Now, let us join. See, we got the line now. We have to write here the first equation, that is 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Ready? Let's see the second table. See, x equals 0. X equal to 0 means y-axis. Ready? x0 means y-axis. After that, y equals minus 2. Y equals minus 2 means downside. See, y equals minus 2. Here we'll write 0 minus 2. Ready? After that, x equals 1. X equals 1, right side. Y equal to 0 is x-axis. Y0 means x-axis. x1 means here. That means here we'll write 1, 0. Ready? Now let us join this. See now, these two lines are intersecting in this point. See, this point is 2, 2. That means x equal to y equal to, isn't it? That means what you'll write? Since the two lines are intersecting at the point 2, 2, therefore x equals 2 and y equals 2. Okay, ready? Let's go to the next question. 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. See, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Ready? So from here, a1, b1, c1 will write. Here we'll write a2, b2, c2. Ready? This implies, what is the value of a1? 2. b1 minus 2, minus 2. c1 minus 2. And after that, a2, what is the value of a2? 4. b2, that is minus 4. And c2, that is minus 5. Ready? After that, what you will do? We will take a1 by a2 equals, a1 by a2 means 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. We are cancelling by 2, isn't it? So 1 by 2. After that, b1 by b2 equals, what is the value of b1? That is minus 2 by minus 4. Minus will cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. We are cancelling by 2. That is 1 by 2. Ready? After that, c1 by c2. What is the value of c1? That is minus 2 divided by minus 5. Minus we can cancel. That means we got 2 by 5. Now check it. a1 by a2, b1 by b2. These two are same. But the last part is not equal, isn't it? Implies a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2. See the last c1 by c2 is not equal, isn't it? So we'll write this not equal to c1 by c2. That implies the system is inconsistent. If it is inconsistent means we won't get real values of x and y, isn't it? So we can't do the balance. So we got it the entire answers of question number 4. So what do you want to do? Subscribe this channel and wait for the balance answers in the next video. Okay.